Hey friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Duolingo on your Android phone. So you want to open up your Play Store on your phone, ensure that you have internet connection, of course, and simple type in Duo, and you'll find Duolingo. Here you can search for it. Now, once you find it, just go ahead and tap on install, and that's going to quickly download and install on your phone. It's a very small app, so it's going to install very quick, just 50 megabytes, and then it's going to quickly install and you will have Duolingo on your phone. So once you do install it, you can open up the Duolingo app, guys. And if you haven't got an account, you want to go ahead and get an account. Otherwise, you can get started right there. But what in my case, I already have an account, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and choose my email address right here as well. You see that you can sign in with Google account as well. So if you have Google or Facebook, you can quickly sign in there. I'm going to quickly do that with one of my accounts and just accept terms and conditions there and quickly sign in. So with a Facebook or Google account, it makes it super easy to do. And yeah, that's basically it. You can choose get started, or you can click the X on the upper left hand side and you're right in Duolingo. Go ahead and allow the consent there. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.